Welcome, future investors. Today, we're revealing the secret to turning $1,000 into a powerful financial tool. It's time to make your money work for you, whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment, or planning for the future. Don't worry if you're new to investing. We'll guide you step by step. You don't need to be a finance guru or have stacks of cash. We'll show you how to create a diversified portfolio effortlessly, minimize risk, and maximize growth potential. We'll also share strategies to keep your investments on track. Get ready to take control of your financial destiny. Grab your $1,000 and let's dive in. Like, subscribe, and let's unlock your financial potential together. All right, let's kick things off by setting the stage for your financial success. We're diving into the world of setting financial goals, and trust me, it's a game changer. Why are goals so important, you ask? Well, think of them as the guiding stars that will lead you to financial triumph. They give you a clear direction, motivation, and a reason to celebrate your achievements along the way. Now let's talk about short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be something like saving up for that dream vacation, upgrading your car, or paying off a pesky credit card debt. These are the goals you can achieve within a few years. But we're also playing the long game here. Long-term goals are the big ones that require some patience and time, like saving for retirement, buying a house, or securing a bright future for your kids. These goals may take several years to accomplish. Here's the exciting part. You get to decide what matters most to you. Your goals should align with your dreams, aspirations, and the life you envision for yourself. So take a moment, write them down, and let's make them a reality. Now let's talk about a financial superhero that everyone needs in their life, the emergency fund. Trust me, this fund can save the day when unexpected expenses come knocking on your door. Picture this. You're cruising along, feeling financially secure, and suddenly, bam! Your car breaks down, or you have a medical emergency. That's when the emergency fund swoops in to save the day. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? It's like having your own personal safety net. It's a stash of cash reserved for those unpredictable moments that life throws your way. Here's the deal. Emergencies happen to everyone, and they don't wait for the perfect time. But with an emergency fund, you'll be prepared, and you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans, which can pile up and cause unnecessary stress. Now, how much should you save in your emergency fund? Experts suggest aiming for around 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will give you a solid cushion to handle unexpected situations without derailing your financial plans. Here's the exciting part. Your first $1,000 can be the foundation of your emergency fund. Take a portion of it and start building that safety net. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when the unexpected strikes. All right, it's time to tackle a financial nemesis that's been holding you back. High-interest debt. But fear not, because today, we're going to show you how to defeat it and take control of your financial destiny. Imagine this. You're working hard, trying to get ahead, but those high-interest debts are like a weight dragging you down. But guess what? You have the power to break free. Here's the deal. High-interest debt, like credit cards or personal loans, can be a major roadblock on your path to financial freedom. The interest rates can eat away at your hard-earned money, making it difficult to get ahead. But fear not. You're about to unleash your secret weapon, your $1,000. Take a portion of it and start paying off those high-interest debts. It's time to break the chains. By paying off high-interest debt, you'll not only save money on interest payments, but also regain control over your financial life. It's like shedding a heavy burden and opening the doors to financial possibilities. Now here's the exciting part. Every step you take towards paying off debt brings you closer to financial freedom. Imagine the feeling of being debt-free, with more money in your pocket to invest, save, and enjoy the things that truly matter to you. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the financial world as we dive into the importance of educating yourself. Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a vast ocean of investment options, but you're not sure which way to swim. That's where education swoops in to be your trusted guide. Educating yourself about investing is like gaining a superpower. It empowers you to make informed decisions, navigate the markets, and avoid costly mistakes. But here's the exciting part. You don't need a fancy finance degree to become a savvy investor. There are plenty of resources available to help you become a financial rock star. Start by reading books written by financial experts, following reputable financial websites, and attending webinars or workshops. Take advantage of the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. By educating yourself, you'll gain a deeper understanding of investment fundamentals, risk and reward, diversification, and different investment strategies. This knowledge will empower you to make confident decisions tailored to your goals. Now that you're on your way to becoming a financial superstar, it's time to find the perfect sidekick for your investment journey. The right investment account. Get ready to discover the options and choose the one that suits you best. Picture this. You're standing in a marketplace filled with investment accounts, each with its unique features and benefits. It's time to find the perfect fit for your financial goals. Choosing the right investment account is crucial because it sets the stage for how your money will grow and the level of accessibility you'll have. Consider factors like fees, accessibility, and tax implications when making your decision. You want an account that aligns with your investment strategy and minimizes unnecessary costs. Here's the exciting part. You have options. Some popular investment accounts include individual retirement accounts, IRAs, brokerage accounts, or even employer-sponsored plans like a 401(k) or 403(b). Take a moment to think about your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. This will help you narrow down the options and find the account that suits you best. Welcome to the world of investment wizardry. Today, we're going to unveil the secret to maximizing your returns while minimizing risk, starting with a diversified portfolio. Get ready to unlock the power of spreading your investments. Picture this. You're building a team of superheroes to conquer the investment universe. Each superhero brings unique strengths to the table. That's exactly how diversification works. Diversification is like assembling a dream team of investments. It means spreading your money across various asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. But here's the exciting part. Diversification is your secret weapon against market volatility. It helps you reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. By diversifying, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You're spreading the risk and giving your portfolio the resilience it needs to weather the storms and seize the opportunities. And voila, future investors. You've unlocked the secrets to investing your first $1,000. It's time to unleash its potential and pave the way to financial success. But remember, this is just the beginning of your investment journey. As you embark on this exciting path, keep your goals in sight, stay informed, and be open to learning and adapting along the way. By making smart choices, diversifying your portfolio, and staying committed to your financial well-being, you're setting yourself up for a brighter and more prosperous future. So go forth, conquer the investment realm, and watch your money grow. Remember, with diligence, patience, and a dash of financial savvy, your $1,000 can blossom into something truly extraordinary. Thank you for joining me on this investment journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share it with fellow aspiring investors.